Hello everyone. Let us understand what is typecasting or type conversion of Python. As we know, there are different data types available in Python. Data types determines what type of data a variable can hold. There are different data types like int, float, bool, string, tuple, list, dictionary. Now, can we convert one data type to other data type? Yes, it is possible with a process of typecasting. Typecasting is a process of conversion of one data type to another data type. There are different types of typecasting. One is known as implicit conversion and the other one is called as explicit conversion. These are the two types of typecasting. First we see what is it implicit conversion. Conversion of data type to another data type automatically by the interpreter. That means programmer will not involve in this conversion. Automatically interpreter will converts from one data type to other data type and there will be no data loss in implicit conversion. How interpreter converts is it converts the lower order data type to higher order data type. You can look at the diagram there. Char, short, int, long, float, double. So int is having the lower data type, ranking lower ranking than float. If at all a program contains int and float data, automatically the interpreter will convert integer data type to floating data type. Let us see the example here. A is 10, B is 9.5. A is holding integer data, B is holding floating point data. Print C, that is A plus B. Here implicit type conversion has happened. A, which is integer, will be converted into floating point type, that is 10.0. 10.0 plus 9.0, your answer getting is 19.5, which is correct. It is an implicit conversion. Look here, addition of integer and complex number. When we are trying to add it, the integer number 3 is converted into a complex number, that is 3 plus 0j, that is 8 plus 4j is the answer. Next we see explicit conversion. Implicit conversion happens automatically by the interpreter, but explicit conversion we will be specifying the syntax in the program. Explicit conversion happens when data type conversion takes place because the programmer forced it in the program and done with the help of function. Look at the syntax. You will be specifying the data type and expression. And one disadvantage here is there will be a risk of data loss in explicit conversion. There are different functions used in the conversion. Int x converts into integer, float converts to floating point, string of x converts to string, char converts ASCII value of the x to a character. So if you are giving an ASCII value in particular function, it gives you the character. ORD, that returns the character when the ASCII value is specified. Look at the example here. Print int of 12.4. That is 12.4 is a floating point. We have specified explicitly to convert that into an integer number. So only integer part will be printed. Now fractional part gets truncated. Second example, float of 34, that is the number 34 is an integer. We are converting it into floating point. So answer you get is 13.40. Next is bin. Bin is a function which converts the number into binary value. So 10 binary value is 1010. So it is printing an output 0b, that is a binary number 101. Similarly oct 10, answer is 12. It is converting 10 number to the octal number, that is 12. Hexadecimal, as we know 14 value is E. OX represents the hexadecimal, so E is been printed. Next char 97. So char 97, it is print ASCII value of A is 97, that is lowercase a, so A is been printed. Next ORD of dollar, that is the ASCII equivalent is 36, 36 has been printed. We can also convert the integer value to string, so now 12.5 becomes string. Thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe and share this video.